I had an interesting conversation with a client the other day. They were very concerned about the bank that they were using to go under and to go bankrupt, and they would lose all their money. And they were trying to set up a trust at the same time. So they were thinking, if I set up this trust and I transfer my money into an account that's owned by a trust, am I going to lose that benefit, the FDIC insurance that protects it up to $250,000? So today I wanted to talk to you about that, exactly FDIC protection for trust accounts. It's such a niche topic, but I'm glad I can talk about it. So if you have any questions on this or anything else, you can go to my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. You can schedule for a free consultation to talk with me about FDIC protection or anything else. So FDIC protection, for those who don't know, is the protection from the I don't know what it's called, but it's FDIC. That's what they're called. It's a government entity that essentially regulates banks and says, hey, if you have a bank that goes bankrupt, the FDIC, the government, is going to pay the amount of money in that account to you back so you don't lose all your money in your bank accounts up until $250,000 per account. So if you have $250,000 stashed there, or if you have $300,000 stashed there and the bank goes under, you have 50 grand that you're going to lose, but you'll at least get to keep 250. That's the general premise. So if you have, but that's for your personal accounts, right? So what happens if you have a trust account? The short answer is the same protection applies to trust accounts just like they do for personal accounts. So a trust account is an account that's just simply owned by a trust. Now that's technically not the correct term for it, but I'm just using it for this video, so bear with me. But if your trust owns an account and you have your money in there and it's a $300,000 again, 250 is protected, that 50,000 you're going to have to take as a loss. However, and this is really important to realize, this does not apply towards irrevocable trusts. Irrevocable trusts are treated more like companies or like business accounts, and that's different than personal accounts or for an individual personal account that's protected by the FDIC. So whatever the FDIC protections are for business accounts, that is what's going to apply in that circumstance. I actually haven't looked that up, so I'm not sure if it applies at all. But either way, irrevocable trusts, which are the rarest form of trust, they are very, very infrequent. So 98% of the time we're talking about a trust, we're thinking revocable trust. That is going to have FDIC protection, so you'll be okay. So don't worry about banking if you have a trust and you think, hey, I need to put my money somewhere, but now that I'm changing title, what's going to happen? Nothing's going to happen. You'll be just fine, and the government is still there to protect you in case of bankruptcy. So thank you, the FDIC. If you have any other questions on this or how to protect assets or anything else in life, feel free to give me an email, Derek, D-E-R-E-K, at legionlawpllc.com, or find me at my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. You can go to our Contact Us page and schedule a free consultation directly onto my calendar over the phone. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.